Ismail tayo makalinaw pa rin yung scientific power shredder computer chess program again hard level repeat chess master then another chess master AI chess master chess 45 or chess 47 chess program computer program it's also now power shredder computer program with the old 12 with 11 12 12 boards tricks but only the victory with trick backs but the the problem with trick is it's very slow and the old trick cannot get with it it's very slow and it hangs when you sometimes hangs especially when you're about to defeat but only to be defeated this I defeat power play without take but the thing is this power shaker is different from those chess program because other chess programs don't when you times the hard time defeating it but when you defeat it you can defeat it again this chess program is more when you defeat it adjusts the chess jumping further so to come up with another different move, different options and I'm looking forward to challenge Houdini 1.5 and with anti-trick because there's a lot of people that in the internet a lot of chess players chess analysts say that Houdini 1.5 and chess mass deep read is the best chess program as of now it's far more better than Deep Blue that defeated already defeated and defeat also chess master chess grandmaster Kasparov who did 1.5 and Deep Blue so I'm searching it now happening in the net but it's not available really or I have to search a lot to challenge YouTube they say it's the highest computer chess and if I just contact I will already to hopefully gain on fun easily there's I have defeated a lot of chess programs so the two chess programs if I defeat then I am confident to forward it to the video to it's been my time makalinaw pa rin yung progress natin sa let's all pa rin makalinaw ang the world vision yung all the best specific and family at the pa rin sa mga makalinaw pa rin Lorenzo makalinaw pa rin Maring Victoria makalinaw pa rin yung Malaton makalinaw pa rin Tinyaon pa rin Danay pa rin yung sa Aritan pa rin yung Sinali pa rin Sumita pa rin Roy pa rin thank you to all my viewers and subscribers those who watch my videos lives and please to continue to follow or to support my videos, especially Project Zero Hunger, Project Zero Blood, because it's very badly needed now. I'm waiting for the reaction of Nietzsche and all some sisters around the world in any professions. Uh, if a single dude or a single will react or will reach me, then blood, I am very sure that I can get zero blood and hunger. It's very easy. Uh, that person will reach your expertise and learn science, technology, and department. So blood, then the blood will be easy. I'm available with my address, Barangay Alice Bakri, Latin 1 General, Mariana Alvarez, Cavite, Manila, Philippines. And you can chat with me on Facebook, Marlon Pareng, username, Twitter, Marlon Tony Pareng, Marlon Pareng, Google, Marlon Pareng, Marlon Pareng, Marlon Pareng. In YouTube, just type Project Zero Blood or Project Stronger, Project Zero Blood. You can watch Project Zero Blood. Then mahal tayo makinig pa rin yung virus lahat.